Why do you say you kiss the ground that I walk on? I ought to be killed. I am so tired, Kostya. I just need to rest. Rest. I am the Seagull. No, that's not it. I am an actress. It doesn't matter. So he's here too. It doesn't matter. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing too. I lost heart. I didn't know how to think or feel on stage. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to speak or how to stand on the stage. You can't even begin to imagine what it's like to know that your acting is terrible. I am the Seagull. Do you remember when you shot a seagull and then you came and you laid it at my feet and then he came along and he said, an idea for a short story. A girl very much like you grows up by the shores of a lake and she loves the lake, just like a seagull. But then a man comes along and by chance, for the sake of nothing better to do, destroys her. What was I talking about? Yes, the theater. I'm a much better actress now. Much better. I know what to do with my hands. I know what to say and think. Ever since I've returned, I've been walking and thinking and feeling my soul grow each and every day. And what I've come to learn is that, Kostya, in our line of work, whether it be writing or acting, the things that I thought mattered before, fame and glory, they don't. What matters is endurance. I must bear my cross and keep heart. I must keep faith. For if I have faith, then it doesn't hurt so much. When you see him, please, don't tell him anything. I love him, even more than before. Remember how sweet it used to be, Kostya? Remember how strong and loving and wholesome it was? We had feelings for each other. Little delicate flowers. Don't you remember?